In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the tools up here on the pattern panel. And first, we're going to look at the mirror tool, which is right here. If you hover over it, it should tell you what it is, mirror. And you can apply the mirror tool in a sketch and also in a feature. First, we'll apply it in a sketch. So let's create a sketch on the XY plane. And as detailed in the assignment, what we're going to do is make an object that looks like this. So we're going to start at the origin. So you can see my little coincident constraint glyph down there. I'm going to left click and then move out over here and let Inventor make that a horizontal line, and I'm going to take it out half an inch. So 0.5 and then tab. I'm going to left click and then I'm going to come up and I'm going to let Inventor make that perpendicular to that line and make that 1 inch. And come over here and once again let Inventor do the work and make that line perpendicular to the previous one, parallel to the first, and it's 0.5 inches. So left click, right click, OK. And then inside of there I am going to make a couple of circles, and you can see that Inventor is helping me by showing me with the dotted line where the center of that horizontal line is, and I'll take that. So I'm going to click, come out here, let's make this 0.25 in diameter. And let's come down here and make another one right in the middle there, 0.25 inches in diameter. So we've now dimensioned the circle. Now we need to locate it with respect to some point. So we're going to use the numerical dimension tool. So I'm going to take the center and I'm going to come back to the origin and I'm going to make that, put it up here, 0.25. And actually, we already knew that that was the case. We're just sort of now being a little, I don't know. We want to make this thing appear all blue, fully constrained. So I've just nailed down that the horizontal distance of the center is 1/4 inch. And now the vertical, of course. So from here to here, let's make this also 0.25. And up here to here, we're going to make this 0.75. Right click OK. So that's my sketch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mirror it about the vertical axis or the y-axis, the one right here, using the mirror tool. So this can cut down on the work that you need to do. So let me show you how that works. So let me click on the construction line, our construction feature tool. Then I'm going to click on the line here and then come along here and plop down a construction line. You can't really see it here due to the axes I have showing, but up here you can see the construction line. So I've got a bunch of features and I've got a construction line, so I'm going to come up here to the mirror tool, click it, and I'm going to grab it this way, and then I'm going to go to the mirror line and click it and then hit apply, and I'm going to, you can see I just mirrored everything about the y-axis. So my work was cut down a little bit. This example could be done in a number of ways. However, you can see that the mirror tool can reduce the amount of work you have to do. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue with this. Let's extrude this area just 1/8 of an inch, 0.125. I like to go the other way. And so now we've got this feature. What I'd like for you to do now is to save it. So we're going to call this last name, first name, underscore mirror 1, save. And now your name will appear up here in the browser because that's the part name. So go ahead and move the part over, pan it over, and then do the right click, iProperties, Physical, tab, Update, and we get a volume, interestingly enough, of 1 cubic inch. Whoops, won't let me do that. I'll just put it over here. And what I want you to do now is go to the snipper tool and snip that information into a PNG file, save it, and you're going to save it into the T9 project folder, and then you're going to upload this school loop. Thanks for watching.